In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 by disabling telemetry, widgets, and other forms of bloat. This guide will help you optimize your computer's performance by removing unnecessary features that might be slowing it down or infringing on your privacy. So, let's dive into it. First, let's tackle the widgets that Windows 11 has placed on your taskbar. These can often be more distracting than helpful, and turning them off can lead to a cleaner and more efficient computing experience. To do this, start by right-clicking anywhere on your taskbar. A menu will pop up with various options. Go ahead and select Taskbar Settings from this list. This will bring you to a settings window where you can customize different elements of your taskbar. Here you will find a toggle for widgets. Simply turn this option off. Once you've done that, you'll immediately notice that the widgets icon disappears from your taskbar, decluttering your screen instantly. Next, let's turn off optional diagnostics to further enhance your privacy and system performance. Begin by opening your Settings application, which can be accessed by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Settings, or by clicking on the gear icon if it's available in your Start menu. Within Settings, head over to the Privacy and Security section. Once there, navigate to Diagnostics and Feedback. In this menu, you'll find several options that control the data Microsoft collects to improve their services. Look for the Send Optional Diagnostic Data option and make sure to turn it off. This ensures that no extra data about your system usage is being sent to Microsoft, giving you more control over what information leaves your device. While you're here, take the opportunity to disable other related features like Tailored Experiences, which customizes suggestions based on your diagnostic data. Turn this off to prevent Microsoft from using your system's data to personalize ads, tips, and recommendations. Additionally, turn off the Improve Inking and Typing option, which collects data about your typing and pen usage to improve recognition processes and suggestions. Disabling these options can contribute to not only enhancing your privacy, but also in potentially speeding up your system, as fewer background processes will be running. If you want to take this a step further, you have the option to delete any existing diagnostic data that Microsoft may have collected from your device. Although this step is optional, it can give you peace of mind. Simply scroll down within the Diagnostics and Feedback menu and find the option to delete diagnostic data. Click on it and confirm your choice. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 is now leaner, cleaner, and more focused on performance over unnecessary processes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, enjoy your streamlined Windows experience.